Binance stands as the undisputed leader in the cryptocurrency exchange landscape. It consistently ranks as the world's largest by trading volume, a testament to its expansive reach and operational scale. The platform offers an exceptionally vast array of digital assets, catering to a diverse spectrum of investor interests. Its core function is to facilitate the seamless buying, selling, and trading of cryptocurrencies. This accessibility has been a cornerstone of its rapid adoption by millions globally. Binance was founded in 2017, a pivotal year for the nascent crypto market. The exchange was established by Changpeng Zhao, widely known as CZ, a prominent figure in the blockchain industry. Under his leadership, Binance achieved rapid prominence in the market, quickly ascending to the top tier of global exchanges. This swift rise was fueled by a combination of strategic decisions and market timing. Several key factors underpin Binance's remarkable success and dominance. One significant element is its user-friendly interface, designed to be intuitive for both novice and experienced traders. This ease of use lowers the barrier to entry for new participants in the crypto space. Another compelling advantage is its low trading fees, which are highly competitive within the industry. These reduced costs make Binance an attractive option for frequent traders and those executing larger volumes. The platform also boasts an exceptionally wide selection of cryptocurrencies available for trading. This extensive listing includes major assets alongside numerous altcoins, providing ample opportunities for diversification. A crucial strategic move was the early adoption and promotion of its native cryptocurrency, Binance Coin, or BNB. BNB quickly became integral to the Binance ecosystem. BNB provided users with direct discounts on trading fees, incentivizing its use and accumulation. This utility created a strong demand for BNB, further integrating it into the platform's economic model. The growth of BNB, in turn, fueled the expansion of the broader Binance ecosystem, creating a virtuous cycle. Binance also pursued rapid expansion into various global markets, establishing a truly international presence. This aggressive market penetration allowed it to capture a significant share of the burgeoning global crypto user base. Its commitment to listing new and promising cryptocurrencies also played a vital role. By being an early platform for innovative projects, Binance attracted a large and diverse user base seeking exposure to emerging assets. This strategy fostered a dynamic trading environment and solidified its position as a go-to exchange for new listings. The robust infrastructure supporting its operations is another critical success factor. This infrastructure ensures high transaction throughput and system stability, even during periods of extreme market volatility. Such reliability is paramount for maintaining user confidence and facilitating efficient trading. Furthermore, Binance has implemented strong security measures to protect user assets and data. These measures are crucial in an industry frequently targeted by malicious actors. The exchange utilizes two-factor authentication, or 2FA, as a standard security protocol for user accounts. This adds an essential layer of protection against unauthorized access. Binance also employs cold storage for a significant portion of its assets, meaning funds are held offline. This practice significantly reduces the risk of large-scale hacks or digital theft. These comprehensive security measures have been instrumental in building and maintaining trust among its vast user base. Beyond its core spot trading functionalities, Binance offers a diverse suite of services that cater to various financial needs and risk appetites. One prominent offering is futures and derivatives trading. This allows users to speculate on the future price movements of cryptocurrencies with leverage. Futures trading provides opportunities for amplified gains, though it also carries amplified risks due to the use of borrowed capital. Another advanced feature is margin trading, which enables users to borrow funds to increase their trading positions. This can enhance potential profits, but also magnifies potential losses. Binance also provides avenues for passive income through staking and lending services. Staking allows users to earn rewards by holding and locking up certain cryptocurrencies to support network operations. Lending enables users to lend out their crypto assets to borrowers and earn interest in return. The platform has also ventured into the burgeoning world of non-fungible tokens with its NFT marketplace. This dedicated platform facilitates the buying, selling, and trading of unique digital assets. It provides a streamlined experience for creators and collectors alike. A significant innovation is Binance Launchpad, a platform designed for launching new cryptocurrency projects. Through initial exchange offerings, or IEOs, Launchpad connects promising new ventures with Binance's extensive user base. This provides early investment opportunities for users and a strong launchpad for new tokens. Despite its success, Binance has faced significant scrutiny and regulatory challenges across various jurisdictions. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrency often clashes with traditional financial regulations. Binance has been subject to investigations and warnings from financial regulators in multiple countries. Notable examples include regulatory bodies in the United States, the United Kingdom, and Japan. These concerns primarily relate to anti-money laundering, or AML, and Know Your Customer, or KYC, compliance. Regulators seek to ensure that exchanges prevent illicit financial activities and verify user identities. The lack of a centralized headquarters for Binance has sometimes complicated regulatory oversight. This distributed operational model has presented unique challenges for traditional regulatory frameworks. Regulatory pressures have led to substantial operational adaptations within Binance. These changes include the implementation of stricter KYC procedures, requiring more detailed user verification. Binance has also introduced service restrictions in certain jurisdictions to comply with local laws. These adaptations reflect an ongoing effort to align with evolving global regulatory standards. Binance remains a dominant force in the cryptocurrency market, continuously innovating and expanding its services. Its commitment to developing new features and improving existing ones is evident. The exchange's ability to adapt to market demands and technological advancements will be crucial. Its unwavering commitment to security and innovation will likely continue to shape the future of the digital asset landscape. Binance's influence extends beyond its own platform, impacting broader industry trends. The ongoing evolution of its ecosystem, including BNB Chain, underscores its long-term vision. Navigating the evolving regulatory environment will be paramount for its long-term success. The ability to work collaboratively with regulators while maintaining its innovative edge will define its trajectory. Binance's journey reflects the broader challenges and opportunities within the rapidly maturing cryptocurrency industry.